This is what would happen to your body if you eat Moringa powder every day for 2 weeks. After 24 hours, your energy levels will increase because your body is filled with 92 minerals out of the 102 your body needs. And after a week, you will notice you have more of a sex drive and you are gaining more muscle mass because your testosterone levels have increased. After 14 days, you'll have low anxiety levels after your street hormone cortisol has gone down. Warning: if you're thinking about embarking on a journey of total well-being, Moringa powder is a total game changer. Phase 1. Your body becomes a mineral magnet, soaking in a whopping 92 out of the essential 102 minerals it needs. Phase 2. Post-absorption. Your body kicks into a self-cleansing spree, waving goodbye to toxins. Watch as your gut health skyrockets and acne bids a farewell. Phase 3. Picture this: stress and anxiety taking a nosedive. Your cortisol levels drop, and suddenly, Zen becomes your middle name. If you want to experience all of this and much more, I've got you covered. I've put a link in my bio to the most incredible source of Moringa powder, conveniently encapsulated into the most awesome pill format.
Hold on for a second. If you or your loved ones are struggling with diabetes, arthritis, cholesterol, or blood pressure, then you don't want to skip this video.
Millions of people waste a lot of money on synthetic drugs that make their bodies dependent on the substances. Introducing a much cheaper and all-natural solution that fights many other diseases, not only the mentioned before. Moringa is scientifically proven to be the most nutrient-rich plant ever known to mankind. The leaves are loaded with 92 nutrients, 46 antioxidants, 18 amino acids and vitamins like B1, B2, B3, A, K, E, and vitamin D. Moringa has powerful anti-diabetic, anti-inflammatory, anti-carcinogenic, and antibacterial properties. It comes in natural leaf powder capsules, and the recommended daily dose is 1 to 2 capsules a day.
Moringa's magic has helped so many people around the world, and now it's your turn. Don't wait. Get it for up to 80% off today only. Click the link below and get your first Moringa bottle today, and keep your doctor away.